guys, I'm Jane. I have here my WOODBRIDGE Intelligent Smart Toilet. This is the remote control that we actually attach close to the bidet. So it's easy for us to change the settings. As you can see, there's energy saver. There's different type of duvet, frontal or back, and also nozzle cleaning. And what goods to this one is actually automatic opens and close. As soon as it detects your motion, it opens on its own, and it's heated. Oh my gosh, this is actually my spa moment. And it has this control that you could actually see, and also it sprays to make sure that it doesn't smell around the area. And this is the new millennium of a toilet. This is advanced bidet and soft closing seat, and also integrated multifunction. As you could see, there's a lot of setting on the side if ever you don't want to use the remote, the on and off power button. It's also have a night light. How cool is that? This is the remote that we put beside it, so it's easy to access, and it open and close. As I said, the nostrils is actually, you could adjust. It's actually warm, and in the winter time, which is most likely, and half of the year is cold, this is gonna be your spa moment. And I don't want to get out from my bathroom. This is your remote control right here. Very easy to access, self-explanatory. And guess what? This is Amazon choice. This is the best smart toilet, one of the best, as I may say. And this is remote controlled, easy to access. Hope you guys like it.